Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook professional mode option not showing in your iPhone. Don't worry, I will give you 3 steps and 3 methods that make your Facebook account professional mode. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your Apple Store in your iPhone or any Apple devices. Then on the search bar tap on Facebook. Then guys, make sure to get the last version, the last update to Facebook application, because the latest version of Facebook has a professional mode and professional options. Then guys, when you finish updating, then go back. Then guys, the second step that you need to do is go and open your settings. And guys, go directly and tap on general. After general, tap on iPhone storage in the middle of your screen. Then you need to wait a few seconds. Then guys, on the top on the search bar tap Facebook. Then guys, in the middle of your screen there is offload application. It means you can reload and update the last version of application, and this will free for app storage used by the apps, but it keeps document and data safe. Then tap on offload application, then again click on offload application. Then you need to wait a few seconds to offload and update your application. Then guys, go back and tap, and when you finish the offloading, then open your Facebook account. Then guys, on the bottom tap on menu. Then guys, on the top click on profile. Then guys, go directly to these 3 dots on the right side. Then scroll to the bottom to your profile link. Then you need to copy link in the bottom. Then click on profile link copied. Then when you copy profile link, then go back and go back again. Then you need to scroll to the second one on the bottom, help and support section. Then go directly to report a problem, the third one. Then scroll to the bottom and tap on continue to report. Then guys, include complete logs and diagnostic in your report. Then click on the first one, include in a report. Then guys, scroll to profile section. Then tap on profile. Then guys, you need to tap your problem. That support will help you and make your account professional. Then I will tap, for example, hello team, I am unable to access the professional mode option on my profile. Then I will add kindly help to fix this. Then you need to paste your profile link. Then hold and paste your profile link. Then guys, if you want to take screenshot or add something, then you need to tap on add screenshot. Then guys, on the top click on send. And you need to know this method work 100% because it's work with me and the other people that I know. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.